Madoff, cringe Tupperware MLM parties, and the FTC suing an affiliate network for an alleged pyramid scheme. Today, we're diving into the dark arts.
That's the dark arts.
To dissect historical pyramid schemes to determine once and for all whether or not affiliate marketing is a pyramid scheme. Let's jump in. Dan Brock, the deadbeat super affiliate from deadbeat.com, and in 2008, Bernie Madoff swindled billions of dollars from his investors in his infamous Ponzi scheme. Now, a Ponzi scheme works by providing returns to the initial older investors with funds received from newer investors that enter the fund. Now, in Madoff's scheme, the older investors actually acted as social proof by raving to their friends and their family about how much money Bernie was making for them, in some cases pulling in 40% returns per annum. Now, by doing this, the social proof created a viral corkscrew that grew the fund at unprecedented rates. And for as long as new people kept coming in, the scheme stayed intact. But it all came to an end in 2018 during the market crash. During this time, investors panicked and flocked to the fund to withdraw their money, only to find out that the coffers were completely empty. And that is when the fund collapsed. Bernie Madoff, in return, was sentenced to 150 years in prison. This is your classic Ponzi scheme, but this differs from a pyramid scheme. A pyramid scheme is a hierarchical structure with one owner at the top of the pyramid with a tree branch of people underneath of them. Here's how it works. The owner recruits the first line of affiliates or recruiters into the organization by promising them outsized returns and riches for being the first into the pyramid scheme. Typically, the new recruit has to pay to join the pyramid scheme, and these payments actually flow to the person at the top, the owner. Now, in order for the new participants to actually make a profit, they in turn have to recruit more people to sit beneath them in the pyramid scheme. And as those people come in, they have to also pay a fee which flows back up to the person above them and to the owner. Repeat, as the pyramid base continues to grow. Eventually, the scheme fails because there are a limited number of people on Earth. And once the scheme comes to an end, the end result is that the owner, the creator, has siphoned off all of the money, him or herself, with 80% of the participants in the pyramid scheme actually losing money. You can identify a pyramid scheme with two hallmark traits that they typically have. Number one, the business itself, the way that it creates profit is just by recruiting people. So typically, the whole focus of the business is focused on recruiting more people to join the organization. And number two, it typically requires a large initial investment for new recruits to join. That is the investment that basically is the profits for the pyramid scheme creator. Actually, I'm just curious. Have you ever yourself participated in a pyramid scheme, or have you been pitched one before in your lifetime? If so, comment below and share your experience with that, just to continue to grow the stories here about how this can affect people and how pyramid schemes work and operate. Now let's take a look at an infamous affiliate marketing pyramid scheme to show you how this all works together and help you determine whether or not affiliate marketing is a pyramid scheme. Over at the FTC.government website, we see here that the FTC has actually returned over $23 million to consumers deceived in the online business coaching scheme MOBE. So the commission sued MOBE in 2018, alleging that the international operation targeted U.S. consumers, including service members, veterans, and older adults through online ads, social media, live events, etc. MOBE, that's My Online Business Education, I believe is what it stood for, falsely claimed that its business education program would enable people to start their own online businesses and earn substantial income quickly and easily using a proven 21-step system. Now, according to the complaint, consumers paid an initial fee of $49 to enter the 21-step program, and when they did so, they were bombarded with pitches for membership packages that cost thousands of dollars, which the defendants pressured them to buy in order to continue the actual program. The defendants eventually revealed that their proven system required selling the same memberships to other people in hopes of earning commissions. Most consumers were unable to recoup their costs, and many experienced crippling losses and mounting debts. The FTC even went as far to sue some of the early affiliates in the program that helped this pyramid scheme become popular. They go on to state that the money returned to consumers today includes money that the commission received in lawsuits against some of MOBE's largest affiliates, including John Chow and Michael Jean, I'm not sure how to say that last name, as well as lawsuits against some of MOBE's payment processors. Now, your old pal, the deadbeat, worked his super sleuth skills and pulled up MOBE's old website so we can dissect exactly what happened here. All right, so I've pulled up a historic version of the MOBE website. This was actually from 2015, and we can see the products that they offer as part of their program here. So the first one was the Inner Circle. So if I'm not mistaken, this was actually the $49 offer that was just kind of like the lead-in investment to get people to kind of indoctrinate themselves into the pyramid scheme and kind of make a small commitment. From here, when members purchased this, they were then pitched additional products with ever-increasing pricing. So this is a $1,500 program, or $1,300 program that they received 90% of commissions from whenever somebody bought. So they would have to actually buy this program in order to actually sell it as an affiliate. The next one was the Home Business Summit, and they of course had to attend the summit before they could be an affiliate for it. So that would be something like $5,000. The next one is Supercharged Seminar. This one was, I think, a $10,000 program, and the Mastermind, which was a whopping 3 days and 4 nights, all experience paid event to exotic locations. A complete ripoff. The Platinum Mastermind paid out $9,000 for a single sale. So yeah, this was a high ticket offer here, somewhere between $20,000 to $30,000. Pulling up one of their old sales pages, this is the online business system. That looks like this is actually the front end, actually. So the My Online Business System was the $49 product. And we can see here that the sales message is making ridiculous claims, somewhere making $100,000 a month. Now the problem with this is that the only way to earn $100,000 a month requires you to bring in new blood. And as we talked about the way pyramid schemes work, the amount of people on earth is finite. So it's physically impossible for every new person to come in to earn $100,000 a month. So it's false advertising on top of that, and the fact that they are just siphoning all the money straight up to the top to the founder of the company. Now, MOBE actually could have been a legitimate business if they did this one thing differently. All they had to do was, instead of making the system how to make money by selling the system and recruiting more people to make money by selling the system, all they had to do was make the product a legitimate training program on how to do affiliate marketing. So if their pitch was, you're going to make a decent income by becoming an affiliate for Amazon and selling things like headphones or, mountain bikes, which I did pretty well with, selling mountain bikes with Amazon, or ClickBank, or the hundreds of other affiliate networks out there, it no longer would have been in a pyramid scheme. It would have been closer to an MLM scheme, kind of like those Tupperware parties where people pretty much alienate their friends by almost guilting them into buying Tupperware. Okay, it would have been closer to an MLM scheme. So that's totally legal. An MLM scheme, if done correctly, is totally legal. In regards to affiliate offers, what I would like to do now is dissect some affiliate offers to show you what to look out for and to prove to you that most affiliate offers are not pyramid scheme. The situation of MOBE is very rare. This happens every once in a while. It's not the commonplace. Okay, here's a product called Ted's Woodworking. So this is a very popular product on ClickBank, and it's basically just plans and instructionals on how to do a large number of things like selling sheds and shed plans and stuff like that. Very popular. This converts really well. It's been a top seller on ClickBank for a long number of years. Long number of years. I don't even know what that means. Okay, so this one actually off up to $125 per sale. And this is not a pyramid scheme because, number one, there's only one level of affiliates. Okay, so it's only a first tier commission. You aren't recruiting people underneath of you to promote the product. You are promoting the product yourself. And number two, you can promote this without having to pay anything. With ClickBank, you don't have to pay anything to promote any affiliate product on the network. And number three, success with this program, the Ted's Woodworking program, has nothing to do with the end consumer selling people on woodworking plans. It's just a product on how to do plans. So this is 100% legitimate. To give you another example, to just show you a physical product, this is Market Health. This is actually closer to an MLM scheme, but it's legal. It's totally legal because it actually has a second tier commission, and I'll explain that in just a second. But what this is just an acne product. It's a skincare acne treatment. It offers affiliates 50% rev share or a $30 CPA, which means you could pay $30, or you can opt to do the 50% commission. Depending on whether or not you're a good salesperson or not, this can benefit you this way. Or if you're not really that good at it, a $30 commission is great. So this isn't a pyramid scheme. For number one, the success with the product has no bearing on whether or not you recruit more people to buy the product. You buy the product to cure your acne. So you're buying the actual product. Number two, you don't have to pay anything to become a Market Health affiliate. It's free to join. And number three, it only has 2 levels of affiliates. So it caps, yes, it has more than the first level. The first level of affiliates, basically that'd be you if you're starting it out right now, receive 50% revenue share for that offer. And they do actually have a second tier commission, which is 5% for anyone that recruits affiliates to the offer. Okay, this is a secondary thing. They don't really even focus on it. It's just kind of like, hey, if you know people that want to promote this product, we offer a 5% commission for you, and you receive 5% of anything that they sell. And there is no levels. There are no levels underneath of that. And that's why this is still a legitimate affiliate offer. It's getting into the MLM space, getting close to it, but not really, because the base doesn't continue to grow. So it's still a legitimate affiliate offer with a second tier commission, which is pretty common anyway in the affiliate marketing space. So in general, the affiliate marketing space is 100% legitimate. There are some bad apples that pop up every so often, but it's rare. I've only seen it occasionally. Now, if you want to avoid these schemes, just stick to promoting products on Amazon, Commission Junction, ClickBank. There are more than enough things to promote there to earn a full-time income. Now, to learn how to do that, to learn the basic steps of creating an affiliate marketing business, I have a free workshop available to you at deadbeat.com/free. The link is here or below this video. It'll walk you step by step, the 3 steps to actually getting this up and running for yourself. It is free to attend. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Please like this video if you found it to be valuable. Check out my most recent video. It's nap time.